Eastern Europe.
Those revolutions, even though there would be all sorts of people, there'd be people on the right, there'd be people on the left, there'd be people who might have been pro-communist, anti-communist, whatever they were, we would look at the people in the crowds and identify with them because they were demonstrating against a repressive regime, so they're good. But when we look at a crowd of millions of Arabs, then we say, well, democracy is good, but maybe not this kind of democracy.
Egypt's protesters are determined to persist in their uprising until they reach their objectives of bringing down the regime. Despite the violent response by the authorities, with many journalists assaulted and detained, the US media has been forced to delve deep into Egypt's internal affairs, looking closely at its democracy, freedom, and the legitimacy of a regime allied with Washington. With headlines like the pro-Mubarak mobs assault protesters under the watchful eye of the army, the US media has had no option but report the facts.
Many of whom told me a few hours ago, I will not be happy unless he steps down.
Will these events bring about a fresh look by the US media? Will they now be forced to taking a deeper look at the region? Mohammed Shukir, Al Jazeera.
Well, the world is certainly watching. Do stay tuned for our continued coverage of the historic events that are unfolding in Egypt. We have teams there on the ground, but we'll leave you with some highlights.